Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kande. Today I am going to talk about technical topic is pharmacovigilance systems. Pharmacovigilance systems are crucial for monitoring and safety of medicine and ensuring that they are safe and effectiveness for patient. These systems focus on the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any other medicine related problem. Here are some key aspects of the pharmacovigilance systems. First one is data collection. Data collection, adverse event reporting. Collect report of adverse drug reaction from various sources like healthcare professionals, patient and pharmaceutical companies. Then spontaneous reporting system. Spontaneous reporting systems. Many countries have systems where healthcare providers or a patient can voluntarily report an adverse event related to drug use. Then electronic health record. Integrate with a health information system allowing for automate data collection. Second one is data analysis and signal detection. Data analysis signal detection identifies pattern or signal that could indicate a new or expectable adverse reaction. This may involve satisfy methods to analyze data for trade. Risk assessment evaluate the severity, frequency, and potential impact of the detected signal. Then, data mining tools. Advanced and software are used to analyze large data set to identify potential safety issue. Third one is regulatory compliance and reporting. Regulatory authority agencies like are FDA, USA, EMA, European Union, MHRA, UK, and other specific guidelines for pH pharmacovigilance practices. Periodic safety update report required by regulatory authority to monitor the safety profile of the drug over time. Risk management plan prepared by pharmaceutical companies to outline how they will monitor and mitigate the risk associated with the drug. Then fourth one is communication and feedback. Public safety communications. When a significant safety issue is identify regulatory agencies may issue safety alert, labeling changes or recalls. Health professional and patient education, information dissemination to educate or proper drug use and potential risk. Feedback loop. Continuous prevent of system through feedback from stakeholder including regulator, healthcare professionals and patient. Then fifth one is global collaboration. WHO International Drug Monitoring Program. WHO collaborate with national centers globally supporting the exchange of pharmacovigilance data through VGBase, a global database for drug safety. Collaboration between regulatory bodies. Harmonization effort like the International Council of the Harmonization of Technical Requirement for Pharmaceutical for Human Use help align guidelines and practice across countries. Then importance of pH pharmacovigilance system. ensure patient safety, identifies adverse drug reaction early, allowing for timely intervention to prevent harm. Thank you.